What is up, you guys? If you want the details on the wig that I am wearing, I would like for you to keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're finally back and I put on a little face so you guys can get a feel for what this wig is actually giving. Now y'all already knew I could not be rocking a center part. I don't know, it's just something about those center parts. I already have a big forehead, so you know your girl had to go ahead and hook up the little side part. You know, I didn't do too crazy with the baby hair. I just put a little swoop baby hair there, just kind of bumped it, but this is what she is giving. Okay, a little bob situation. Let me turn around And y'all don't come for me, you know, because when I flat ironed it and put a little bump at the end, you know, sometimes the little ends be flipping up. But for the most part, pros and cons about this wig. I would have liked this wig to be a little bit more yucky. You guys, I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I didn't think I was going to have to bleach the knots initially, but the OCD in me went ahead, bleached the knots. I did go ahead and pluck the hairline just a little bit. This is my first time wearing yeah, I think it is. I usually do lace fronts, you guys. So this is my first time doing a closure wig. And I will say that it is easier, but back to the pros and cons. I don't particularly like that the little like hump or they have like these little flaps. So literally with a closure, you guys seen how much lace you get. So that lace is depending on the company, and this one I believe it was a 4x4, so which means you get about 4 inches this way and 4 inches that way. Literally a 4x4 patch of lace where you could, you know, part. And then beyond those 4 inches they have these like flaps like right here. Okay, like this does not give realistic. That would be my only con. And I mean, I'm not an amateur to wigs, so I do know that that is unavoidable. So but you're paying for convenience. Okay, really quick, easy install. That's pretty much all the negative, or not negative, but the cons I have about this wig. It curled very easily. This is just giving you something quick, easy, an alternative to the lace fronts, because sometimes you guys, we get tired of, you know, cutting all that lace off, plucking the hairline, and although we're still doing a little bit of that with the closures, it's not a lot. So yeah, UNice, you did it once again. I will continue to order. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell so you know the next time I post another video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.